So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of smooth liquid animation with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I take this one torus and create simple shape. So I change radius. Guys see that's my ring radius. Take half like 50. Yeah. And this one pipe radius smaller. I like 15 is good. Yeah. Right. Okay. So guys now I increase segments. Guys segments increase randomly like this, and guys increase 35 is good. So I go to on here display, select God shading lines. Yeah, see guys that's my simple shape, right? Okay, so now guys make editable, so click on here. Yeah, so guys now firstly I apply material, select your material file, this one, and guys I go to top view panel. See guys, that's my marble material. Apply. Yeah, it's good. And guys, see, that's my projection. Use spherical. Yeah. And length, guys, I like 50 and 50. Yeah, it's good. So, hide lines. Yeah, it's really good. See guys, right? Okay, so again, I go to top view panel and selection, half selection. Selection like this. Yeah, and apply gold material, simple, right? See guys, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys I take one more torus, so press Ctrl C and V, copy and scale tool and make smaller like this. Yeah, see guys that's my simple objects. Okay, so next one guys I apply vibrator tag. So go to animation tag and vibrate this one. Yeah. And guys see that's my rotation, enable rotation check. Guys all rotation 360 and frequency 0.2. And guys go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. So now guys I increase frame. Frame I like 1000. Yeah, I like 1000 and play. Yes, see guys, that's my rotation effect, right? Okay, so next one guys, I apply same effect on here. So select this vibrator tag, this one, and holding control key, drag and drop. Simple, and change seed like this. Yeah, and closer. Yes, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so now guys this time I apply RealFlow plugin. So go to RealFlow and go to screen setup. Yeah, so guys firstly I use circle. Yeah, and increase height, this one guys like 150. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys I change also size, this one. So go to object and red size I like 20 is good, 20. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my position and play. Okay, it's good. Okay, so now guys this time I apply next one gravity. Use gravity, this one. Yeah, and play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys select this torus, this one, and I apply tag. Go to RealFlow tag and use collider, this one. See guys, that's my friction. I like 0.5 and bounce 0.1. Yeah. So play. Yes. Guys, same. So select this tag, RealFlow tag, and holding control key, drag and drop, simple, and play. Yeah, it's good. So guys, now you can increase particle display size like this and play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, that's really good. Now I change fluid setting. So go to fluid, this one, and see guys, that's my type. That's most important setting. So take this one. Yes, and resolution I like guys 200 is good. And go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now dumping I like 2 and density it's take 10,000 and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, it's really good. That's my smooth effect. Okay, so guys, now I use cube, this one, and cube size 2000 and 20 and 2000. So go to down like this, and guys, object minus 100. Yeah, and all 0. Yeah, and guys, same, select this cube and apply real flow tag, this one, real flow, and guys, friction 0.5, bounce 0.2. I like bounce 0.2 is good. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my effect, right? Okay, so guys, now stop this animation. Now I apply mesh. So go to real flow and use mesh. Yeah, and go to mesh, guys, change some setting on mesh. Resolution I use low, medium is good, and radius is good, guys, and smoothness increase. So go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, firstly go to screen, and for fast smoothness effect use GPU check. I have Nvidia this one graphic card. So again go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, so I stop this rendering, go on here like this, and yeah, see guys, that's my really smooth effect. See, that's really smooth. So stop, and now I apply material. So apply on mesh. Yes, and yeah, it's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now I create more smoothness. So guys, go to here, thin, guys, little bit change like 0.2, relax. I like same, 0.2 is good. Yeah, simple. See guys, that's my mesh setting. So go to screen and auto panels uncheck. Yes, and guys, minimum subtract like 10 and 10. Yeah, and play. Yeah, see guys, that's really smooth effect. Okay, but guys, see, that's take little bit time. It's too much heavy particles. Okay, so now guys, little bit change gravity. So see guys, that's my gravity, and strength I like 400. Yeah, yeah, it's much better. Yeah, it's really smooth guys. Yeah, all is good. So guys, see, that's my marble material, flow marble material, and apply. And guys, see, that's my texture. Guys, I give you all texture you can download from my website. And second one, I give you this texture link in description. So import. Yes. Yeah, and change guys UV like 20 and 20. Yeah, and guys, take camera and camera check. Guys, set your camera angle. I like this one, and set your flow. That's my marble material, right? Okay, so guys, I take sky, and see guys, that's my HDRI environment light, and artist, guys, I apply material. So this one, that's my HDRI image. Yeah, and see guys, that's my brightness. I take 20% is good. Now apply on sky and right click, go to here compositing tag and scene by camera uncheck. Yeah, and camera uncheck. Okay, so guys, see, that's my final composition is finished. Now I apply area light. So use this one. Yeah, go to back here. Guys, intensity, I like, guys, take 35. Guys, type this one. Use shadow, map, smooth shadow. Yeah, and guys, select this light and duplicate. Go on here and rotate this light. Rotate like this 180 degree. Yeah, so next one guys, select this one, first one light, and one more time duplicate. That's my top light and rotate. So select your light, third one, and rotate. That's my top light minus 90 degree and go to here and up. Yeah, and go to camera. Yes, so guys, set your camera angle. Yeah, and guys, use global illumination, and next one use ambient occlusion. Yeah, and render preview. Guys, I take only one frame. Yeah, see guys, that's really beautiful, right? See, okay, so guys, filter and take some color correction. Yes, it's really good. Okay, so guys, now I apply more setting. So guys, anti-analysis use best. I like best. And for global illumination, guys, use object visualization high. And indirectly catch I take low. Guys, go to save and JPEG. Guys, create new folder. New folder. Yeah, and take any file name. Yes, and use all frame. All. Yeah, size is good. So close. And now guys, go to back and go to screen and solver is good, cache, and use cache check and cache simulation click. Guys, after cache, create render. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.